Hello students, today I am going to start height and distance from the book ML Overall exercise 20. Okay, this is one of the application of trigonometry chapter, height and distance. Question number 1, it is given, an electric pole is 10 meter high, if its shadow is 10 root 3 meter in length, find the elevation of the sun. The elevation of the sun not given, height of the pole given, shadow length given, length of the shadow given. Just see the process of solving. Here AB, height of pole, that is 10 meter given. BC is what? The length of shadow, that is given 10 root 3. Okay. This one is given 10 root 3 and this is given 10 meter. Okay. Let theta be the angle of elevation. Theta be angle of elevation of the sun. Now in the triangle ABC, you have to apply tan theta formula is what P by B, perpendicular by base. Applying that 10 by 10 root 3, coming 1 by root 3. What is the value of tan 30? That is 1 by root 3. Now write tan 30 instead of 1 by root 3. Comparing both sides, you will get theta equal to 30. What is the angle of elevation? Angle of elevation is 30 degree. This is the question number 1 answer. Okay. Let us go on next number 2. See the question what is given here. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground and at a distance 150 meters from its foot is 30. Angle of elevation given, distance from the foot it is given 150 meters. Find the height of the tower correct to one place of decimal. See the question. Question number 2. Height of the tower not given. This is question mark. Here theta means 30 degree angle of elevation. And this distance given 150 meters. Okay. In the triangle same process, tan theta formula to apply, tan 30, 1 by root 3, P by B, AB by BC. Put the value of AB and BC. AB not given. Putting AB and BC here, BC equal to 150. After cross multiplication you are getting how much? 50 root 3. Put the value of root 3, that is 1.732. Final answer is 86.6 meter. Okay. This is the height of the tower that we have to find out. This is the answer. Let us go next number. Just see. See the question number 3. A ladder is placed against a wall such that it just reaches the top of the wall. The foot of the ladder is 1.5 meter away from the wall and the ladder is inclined at an angle of 60 degree with the ground. Find the height of the wall. Height of the wall not given, but length of the ladder given. A ladder is placed against a wall of such that it just reaches the top of the wall. The foot of the ladder is 1.5 meter away from the wall. Okay, just see the process of solving here. 1.5 meter away. This is the ladder. AC is the ladder. AB is the wall. AB is the height of the wall, and BC is the distance between the foot of the ladder, this one, and the foot of the wall. 1.5 meter. And here theta is equal to how much given? 60 degree given. This angle given 60 degree. Now applying the tan theta formula here, and you are getting AB equal to how much? That is giving 2.6 meters. Therefore height of the wall is equal to 2.6 meters. Okay, 2.6 meters height of the wall. Let us go number 4. Number 4 question given like this. What is the angle of elevation of the sun when the length of the shadow of a vertical pole is equal to its height? Length of shadow of a vertical pole and is equal to its height. Question number 4. Just see. These two are equal given. As per the question, AB equal to BC. To find the angle of elevation, that is theta, we have taken here in the triangle ABC. The right hand triangle, you have to apply tan theta. Tan theta is equal to how much? P by B. P means AB here, base means BC. Both are equal, means this will be 1. tan 45 is 1, theta is equal to 45. Therefore, angle of elevation of the sun is 45 degree. Okay, this is the answer of number 4. Let us go next number. See the question number 5. This is the last question for today. A river is 60 meter wide. A tree of unknown height of the tree not given, is on one bank. The elevation of the angle of elevation of the top of the tree from the point exactly opposite to the foot of the tree on the other bank is 30 degree. Find the height of the tree. See, what is the, as per the question, you have to draw the figure like this. AB equal to height of the tree, BC the width of the river. Another side the point is here, the tree is here. This given 60 meter. Theta angle of elevation given 30 degree, this one. Now in the triangle ABC, you have to find out tan theta formula P by B. P means here perpendicular AB by BC. Putting theta equal to 30 degree, tan 30 1 by root 3. Finally, you are getting AB is equal to, after rationalizing, AB equal to 20 root 3, putting the value of root 3 1.732. The answer you are getting 334.64 meter. This is the answer of number 5. Okay. As for the question, you have to draw the figure. And this is the last question for today. Next day I will continue the chapter height and distance from the book, ML overall book. Okay. You can do the same chapter from different books. As for your book syllabus, innovative book is there. Another book, Areswara book is there. I am doing from ML overall. Okay. Try to do the same chapter from other book. Thank you for today's class.